Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhay and we are going to start the Python course. In this video, we will learn how to install the Python in our laptop, in our system, and I will guide you how to run Python program in your laptop. And we will write our first program, which is print hello world. In the last video, I covered hello world program in a 10 different language. If you want to differentiate between language, then you can check out that video. I will ping the URL in the comment. Let's start with the Python. Python is a high level, easy to understand, easy to learn programming language known for its simple syntax. It is widely used in the web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and scripting. So basically, like if you are planning to divert your career into a data science, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, Python will be a perfect choice for you. Before writing any code, let's see how we can install the Python in our system. So these are some steps I write it here, like how we can install the Python. First of all, you can go to the python.org, then you can download the latest version of the Python based on your operating system. If you are using the Windows, then you can download the Windows. Okay, then let me show you how we can go through that python.org, or you can directly search it here, like download Python. Okay, if you search it, you will directly get this page, download Python. You can navigate to this website and there you will see this download Python 3.13.5. okay, so this is the already latest one. Okay, I believe. So what you can do, you can just click on this Python 13.5 and it will show you like that way. Okay, in my system it is, if you see, it is already downloaded. Okay, so I am not going to download it again. Okay, but this is already for the Windows. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can click on this Linux, Mac OS, like that way. Like you can download it first. Okay, then what you can do, you can come in the download, then you can click on that. Okay, python.x. Once you run it, like it will install the Python in your system. Okay, for me, like it is showing modify, repair, uninstall. Okay, but for you, like it will start the installation for you. Okay, and during the installation, what you need to take care, like don't forget to check add Python to the path to run Python from the command prompt or terminal. Okay, so when you are installing the Python now, like you will get one checkbox, add Python to path. Okay, just click on that button. Okay, so by default, like it will set the environment for you in your system. Okay, so you don't need to worry anything about. Okay, just click that button and run the Python. After installment, how you can check like whether the Python is installed correctly or not, what you can do, you can come here in the search bar, you can write it down cmd, so it will open the command prompt for you. Okay, so this is the command prompt. To check whether the Python is successfully installed in your system or not, you can write Python and version. If you run this script, this command, if you run this command, it will show you the Python version, which Python version you are using. In my case, it is showing Python 3.13.5. that means Python is correctly installed. Okay, if you are seeing by this command, if you see some error or something, that means Python is not installed. So like that way, like you can check whether Python is installed in your system or not. After this, before writing any code, let's see what are the different platforms we have to write our code. Okay, when you install the Python, by default you will see this IDLE. Let me show you again. In the search bar, if I write something IDL, you are seeing this app. Okay, so by default, like it is coming when you are installing the Python. Okay, so this is the one application where you can write down your Python program. But for alternative, what we have, let's also see. We have PyCharm that you can download from the Google. Okay, so this is also advanced tool where you can write down your Python programs. Okay, and that professional ID by the JetBrain. JetBrain is a company who created this PyCharm. Great for the large project, support debugging, virtual environments, and the more. So basically, like if you are creating any project in the Python, at that time you can use this PyCharm. But if you are just doing starting in the Python, okay, if you are just writing some small program, you don't need to require install PyCharm for now. Later we will install but for now we will only use the IDLE, okay, because that's a light version, okay. So like it will, we can write a small program and only in this IDLE, okay. Even we have the Anaconda with the Spider, okay. This is a kind of a Anaconda is a distribution that come with a many data science libraries pre-installed, okay. So this is more like a whole package, okay. If you install the Anaconda, you don't even need to install the Python separately. By default, like it will install many things. It will install Python and it will install many data science libraries, okay, by default. And when you install the Anaconda, we get the Spider ID where we can write our Python programs, okay. So for now it is not important for you, okay, because that's a large thing, okay. If you download it, like it will be a very large application, so you don't require that for now. We are going to use only IDLE because we are going to create a small program for now. So let's see how we can print the hello world in the Python. Okay, so once you install the Python, what you need to do, you can come here and you can search IDLE and you will see this application. So what you can do, you just open it. Okay, so when you open it, it will show something like this, okay, and this is more like a command prompt. Here, like we can write our Python script, okay, but just for good feature and everything, let's do one thing. Let's create the new file. This is the new file. There we can write the Python program, and there like we have this run functionality, run module. So what we are going to do today, we are going to print the hello world. So we can just simply write the print statement and hello world. Let's see if we can run it directly, or we need to save it, okay. So let me save this file, hello world, okay. So when we run it, it is showing the output, the hello world. Let me run it again. This is my program, and when I click on this run module, it will show me the hello world. So like that way we can write our first statement, which is print, and we can print the hello world in the Python, and we can run it like that way, okay. So even in the Python, it is very simple to print any statement. If you know in my last video, I cover the hello world program in 10 different language. There, like in some of the language, like we require to create a main method. In some of the language, we require to create the classes. But in Python, you don't need to worry anything about like extra thing. You can just use this print statement to print the hello world. Along with it, if you want to print some other statement like 2025, some number with the hello world, then you can use a comma. By the comma, it will print the number. Okay, let me save it by Control S. It is saved. Let me run it now. It is showing hello world 2025. Okay, so by using the comma, we can separate out the different statement. If I, after the 2025, if I write down something like this, testing, let me save, then run module. Okay, so it is printing all the things. Okay, so like that way, we can print the multiple statement inside the same print. Okay, one more thing, like if I do something like this, this is the first print and this is the second print. Here I am printing the testing. Let's run it. Okay, so by default, if we are using the two different print, it is like breaking the line. Okay, like it is not coming on the same line, it is coming in the separate line. So that's it for today's video. This was the first video of this Python course where we install the Python, saw how to write our first program, and we created a simple hello world program. In the next video, we will learn how to take input from the user, which is completely opposite of printing. If you want to learn this complete Python course, then stay with me and subscribe to my channel. You will get a regular videos and I will teach you the entire Python course in just 1 month. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my previous video on how we can print the hello world in 10 different language. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.